하시기는 어베거구부르워 성모자베 달리나 응하나요.
Yahweh. Hi. Okay, so everybody needs to calm down. Everybody's freaking out. Okay, so there's two angles to look at this from. There's the angle of the family. I lost a loved one, and then there's the politics. This is why Manit and politics don't mix. Okay? Manit and politics don't mix at all. Because politics is about leadership roles, making decisions for the community. And when you mix Manit with politics, it stops everybody from being able to share their actual thoughts. Okay? Yahweh, what? Okay, so Manit and politics don't mix at all, because this whole everybody freaking out, everybody arguing, all of the families are split up. A lot of the people that are mad are the same people that benefit from the corruption, especially the people that keep arguing about it. Information legend Junior is true. They've been hiding Miguel Kabua's death for 2 months. He's gone. But what does it mean for him to be gone, right? So let's just say Miguel Kabua was just a face. He's just the face of the system. It's the puppet. He's the puppet. He was the puppet of the system because it was the system behind him that was doing every single thing. Man. I'll wait for more people to get on here. Ooh, Darlene. Okay. Let's take it back to history. Okay? Wanar kalage system in natija lain rubelle. Right? Whenever bagay title na yan Puchin rabaga. Okay? How long have I been talking about Miguel Kabua needing to get out of that seat? It's been months. I've been talking about Miguel Kabua being the wrong person in the seat for months. And that's facts. He's burak. He was a burak. And Barjolak Burangan, the family, his family. I know some of you guys, like, this is, this type of news, but no. There's a reason why they hid it. Because, Rarai Gujin Noje Newsian. Gonna go, like, if. That means everything behind him falls. The system is falling. Oh, jabri aapka man fake news hi janai. Oh, be mad. Be mad. That's not my problem. Oh, bitch, fuck you. Fuck your mom too. Stupid. Hold on. You just da? Anang. You girl, be mad. I don't care. How do I block this? Look, y'all, you guys can't come in here and argue because I don't care. I don't care. So, you know me rar because this goes back to history. Everything rar kalagay yumun riap ejotalak. So back in 1800s, okay, when the colonizers came, remember when I said interclan wars and connecting with rebeldes was a war tactic, okay? Connecting with rebeldes was a war tactic so they can keep the title. The title rightfully belongs to Rebecca's lineage, okay? So the Pueblo goes, there was already war going on. Because when Langani won the war, he was the first Iroj to rule over Olaben Majal. He was the first Iroj to rule over Relik and Radak, right? So when he ruled over Relik and Radak, you have proof. Look, can y'all shut up? I'm not reading comments. I'm channeling because this Rieto are going to come in and they are here. So, he was the first Iroj to rule over Relik and Radak. This created interclan wars. And when the interclan wars started happening, families were already beefing with each other. So, when she was the Leiroj, her sons killed Leniruk. Okay? They killed Leniruk. And then the title got passed over to Joaje. Leo Chadun Lirak Yung Leniruk, aka the other Burak. They kept that title because the Jalakar Maman Lo Bujin Adan Rabaga. There was no man, so they said, okay, Joaje's line, they can hold on to the title until Rabaga's lineage bore a son. Rabaga's lineage did not bear a son until 15-20 years later, and he was Gibbon Bor. But when Gibbon Bor was born, they were training him to take the title back, but by then, Kabua already linked up with colonizers to keep the title as an interclan war tactic. Makes sense. By the time Gibbon Bor was born, Kabua already died and passed the title down. Make it make sense. So all this time, natijale, rar kalaga natijale, I keep saying this too. I kept saying that. They gave us natijale, where disconnect people from the land so they can take titles, land rights. Okay? Jessica, shut the fuck up. I don't care about you, girl. Bye. So, Gia, when they built the system, the whole system, because you guys remember that German book that I was reading, a history book. I stopped reading it on my platform because it started to show information about the very first court case over land, Katahan Kabua Labalep or Kabua Yung Litakoa. Okay? So everything that's going on right now is the fall of that. And everything is correcting itself. This is deeper than just, oh, Michael Kabua is dead. The dude is dead. He dead. Okay? Look at all these haters. Like, commit benefit and corruption, like, commit and corruption, like, because if Michael Kabua falls, that means y'all don't get no more money, right? If Michael Kabua falls, that means you guys have to return all the stuff back to the right people, right? Every single person that is on my stuff, every single person that's arguing for on my stuff, you guys all benefit from the corruption. What does this mean for you? It means you're gonna be a broke ass, right? And it's Madame Chen. What the hell? I thought I banned you from talking. Shut up. So everybody's freaking out, especially because Nudijala is quiet. Nudijala is not gonna do anything. They announced this at the meeting last week, and they told people to not say anything. Because he's been dead for 2 months. What makes you think he was ever going to tell you? What makes you think Nudijala was ever going to tell you the truth? Because every single person in Nudijala benefits from this bullshit. Okay? This is why y'all were attacking Tale. This is why y'all attacked me. Because the truth is out. The truth is going to be the truth. I don't have to see it with my eyes. All right. So, let's look at it. If it swings this way, Melilane, yes. If it swings this way, Melilane, no. And I took notes. What the hell? I thought I banned you from talking. Shut up. Yar boo kan kaj mo kata. Then I took my notes. Right here. So all these notes that I took, we're going to ask if it's true or not. But y'all don't have to be scared. The only people that are scared are the people that have been benefiting from the corruption. Every single person that's mad, look at them, look at their background, look at their connections. Sorry, your reign is over. You guys cannot shut me up. Be mad. Whew, get mad. I don't give a damn. All y'all against me, shut up, man. You ain't nothing to me but specks. Dust. Pungal. Shut up. All right. Like I said, if it goes this way, it's a yes. If it goes this way, it's a no. Why are you still commenting? Oh my God, let me... How do you ban? Block by Tista. Miss out. Who else want to get blocked? Because if I block you, and they do matakparam, because oh my God, I can't see her stuff anymore. Shut up. All right. Again, if it goes this way, yes. If it goes this way, no. Oh, my ancestors are right here. I got my candle. I got my dead relatives right here. And the picture and a glass of water. Y'all ain't telling me shit. Okay. Mo lagay menin Michael Kabua image. Thank you. Molage menin nidi jalai raja noje Michael Kabua's death. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Gotta stop now. Is Hilda Heine scared of losing power and influence over the country? Yes. Okay, thank you. You can stop. Stop. What else? Molage menin rar noje they hid the death because they do not want to free the people. Is this true? Yes. So let me ask another one. Thank you. Are they mad because they benefit from the corruption? Yes. GOMD. Look, my elbow's still. Is Michael Kabua dead? Is Michael Kabua dead? Is Michael Kabua dead? Is Michael Kabua dead? Yes, 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 he's dead. You want me to keep my elbow on the damn screen? Cool. Okay, Parchuan. Molage menin rar noje newsin pues rar kanan continue the corruption. Yes. Thank you. Another thing, they did not want people to start protesting. They did not want people to stand up. Nitijale. So let's ask again. Molage menin Nitijale hid the news of Michael Kabua because they do not want people to revolt. Yes. See, look, I'm losing viewers because y'all scared. Let me ask one more time. The people that are mad right now, are they mad because they also benefit from the corruption? Yes. Shut up. You're trying to tell me I'm crazy. You're crazy. You're crazy because you think stepping on people is going to keep you up there. Whew. What else? No, Nani, shut up. If you want a boo-boo, inbox me and you pay for it. Bye. What else? Does Michael Kabua's death ignite rebellion? Milele is going to make people go against the system. Yes. That's why they don't want to tell us. Thank you. Okay, another one. Because one of the things they needed external allies to believe that he was alive. 55 double boo-boo gach yung parameneo. And that's my price for now because I'm going to yeah, I'm stepping on people's neck that do wrong to the community, Julina. Why are you still talking? Go ahead. You gonna miss out. Because you getting blocked by bitch. Does Michael Kabua's death expose the cracks in the system? Yes. What else? Does Michael Kabua's death keep the elite people in power? Yes. Okay, here's another one. Thank you. Does Hilda Heine have good intentions for Marshallese citizens? No. Thank you. What is this dang word? See, look, how did I, oh, okay. Because one thing they're also doing to us is they're kaweweing us. Is, Molagay many nili jalay kawewe oliverang. Why you think they're quiet? They haven't said nothing all day. No, she doesn't have good intentions. Let's ask again. Thank you. My hand's not moving. Does Hilda Heine have good intentions for the citizens of the Marshall Islands? No. Hold on, Jessica, you got a lot of problems right now, honey. You worried about the wrong things. Go worry about your life. This is my proof, and time will tell, stupid. Look, this is why I've been battling all y'all in this brainwashed Christian mentality. Because when they gave us Christianity, they disconnected us from our real roots. Who am I blocking? Oh, you guys want to see what I'm doing? This is my damn mat. I'm trying to be respectful and not cuss on here because there's going to be old people that are going to see my stuff. To see, especially this one. Okay. Molge meni nidijala rar noje Michael Kabua's death because it keeps the money flowing. Thank you. All right, now I'm just gonna ask whatever question comes to mind. Molge menin Ragar Noje and Michael Kabua Mitch because they want to keep all the land that they stole. Yes. What else on here? Oh. Does Hilda Heine want the best for Marshallese people? Does Hilda Heine want the best for Marshallese people? No. Thank you. Whew. Man, I'm right on time. I stopped giving a F right on time, huh? Because a few days ago I had told y'all, I'm tapped in, y'all are not. Shut up. I'm not holding myself back to make all y'all comfortable anymore. Shut up. I ain't scared of none of y'all. All y'all against me, it only looks like it's just me. I got all Rietos behind me. Mologe Menin Rabaga's lineage is on the rise. Mologe Menin Rabaga's lineage is on the rise. And they go take the title back. Ooh, girl. Yup. Mangingi? Anji Mangingi? Oh, okay, you too, Jessica. Block. All y'all are gonna be mad because you missing out. Block. Whew. My candle fire is going crazy right now. Okay. They needed external allies to keep to believe he was alive. External allies, million other countries. They needed, okay, Here you go. Molage meaning they needed Ragar Noje Michael Kabua's death, they needed the other countries to believe he was still alive. Yep, it's a block party. Read the room, Athena. Athena? Althena. Read the room, girl. Read the room. Don't ask no questions, just wait. Pay attention. Okay. Here's another one. As far as history in Mayo, is this the correction of history and them stealing the title? Yes. Thank you. Whew, okay. Chen kiyo yu metal, tai to ne ne ke roal wa ngan puchin rabaga. Yes. Give it back. Because how long have I been talking about bring the money back? Manit and Joey. Jakarajab kujong puk last name le an temer until the colonizers came. A crackhead, look, your mom's a crackhead. And I don't make no money off of this. Y'all are mad because you about to lose money from buying yourself crack. Shut up. Ooh, block party. You guys are going to be so matang param because you're missing out on this. You're going to have to make a fake page to lurk my stuff. Bye. Ask if the information... No, we're not talking about those two stupid asses. I don't give a damn about them. They out. Out. Canceled. They're viruses to the damn community. Stop bringing up their stupid ass names. All they did was stir up bullshit in the community. Okay, Kia. Whew. All of them are they true? Yes. Thank you. What else y'all want to know? Do y'all want... Okay, if y'all have another question about the Nilija, let me have it. So, okay. Here's another one. Are there any members of Nilija watching me on this live right now? Yeah, motherfucker. Y'all are going down. Your corruption is falling. Yeah? You think these government people are on your side? That's how you know Marshallese people struggle so hard. They screw each other over every chance they get. Any type of power that comes into Marshallese hands, you do things to screw the people over. You know what, bruh, open your eyes and then admit you're in denial. Denial is a river in Egypt. Denial is a river in Egypt. All right. So, okay. You're useless. Leander Jr. Block. You gonna miss out on this party. Block. Jamarong good Tori Loan Wemum. For what? Are you gonna pay my bills? What the fuck kind of question is that? Weird ass question. Weird ass question. Okay, so as far as Junius goes, Aramidil Meyagarpangan Junius. Were they lying that Michael Kabua is dead? Oh, wait. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Get off my stuff, freaking cat. Where did it go? What the hell? Where did it go? Hey, Miss, whatever the hell your name is, Black Party. I don't feel like arguing with people that are in denial with the truth. You're in denial. Because what does it mean if Michael Kabua is dead? It means you lose your rights, you lose your titles, and everything goes back to the correct people. Because another thing is Hilda Heine, when she got in office, she started hiring relatives into the cabinet. And people she likes and people she knows. Is Hilda Heine in this chat right now? Hey Hilda, how you doing? Your reign is coming to an end. Rieto don't like what you're doing. You don't give a damn about the people. And none of y'all can stop me either. It looks like I work alone. I work with all ancestors. F-O-H. F-O-H. And then the old people are like, dying. That's really it. It's just the fall of the corruption. Because you Nudijala members, I know some of y'all are in here. There's nothing you can do to stop the truth from coming out, because what you hide in the dark always comes to the light. So listen to my voice, because when I speak, sometimes it's me, sometimes it's Rieto. So Hilda, I know that you conspired with like outside organizations to keep this death under wraps. I feel your anger. Mad. This is spiritual, disguised as politics. Nobody knows Marshallese history enough to know who we really are and why all of them lalin rejenoye ket rumajo. Was Michael Kabua, wait, how do I say it? Was Michael Kabua, what is that word? Was there demonic entities that took over Michael Kabua's body? Yes. Oh. Yeah, you're right. Is this even safe to say? Stay quiet. Stay quiet. You know who you are. Stay quiet. Aramedyo Agarpangan Juniors, are they part of Nadijale? Yes. So it's official, right? Damn it, Hilda. Hilda, you ain't got no good intentions for the damn people. You a masculine feminine. You think more like a man than a woman. That's why you're going down. Because as a kare, molin mantin majo is matriarchy, right? We're taking down male-centered women. Women that think and operate like men. Women that are not nurturing like actual women. Okay, Hilda? You're a horrible damn influence on the whole community. Y'all betrayed the country. Pujin rumajo drama ranagin yolap tada. Duh, because the system is falling. Yes. Oh my goodness. How many times do I get? And I'm gonna put my elbow in the damn screen too, so y'all can say I'm not moving. Y'all can't say I'm moving this. Moilage Menin Michael Kabua is dead. Yes. Okay? Thank you. Moilage Menin Michael Kabua agar mej roa lang ay mautalak. Mautalak. Roa lang ay mautalak. Damn, hold on, let me take this cat out. You're disturbing my operations. Okay. Moilage Menin Michael Kabua agar mej roa lang ay mautalak. Yes. Okay, thank you. So Kia, is Nadijala gonna start attacking juniors? Is Nadijala members gonna start attacking juniors? Yes, they are. That's why Riatos woke me up out of my sleep and they said, get to moving, start moving. Because everything is being corrected the same damn way I've been saying for months. Months. If you look at all my stuff, why do you think Yarkatirere when the Nadijala building burned down? Because that was the start of it. The real start of it was when Christopher Loyak died. And then after Christopher Loyak died, Nadijala building burnt down. And then like I keep saying, for us to read the history from the German book that I found, that's when Rieto started coming to me. They started showing up at my house, sitting in the shadows, watching me, seeing what's my next move to make sure that I'm doing all this right. So basically for the past year, they've been preparing me for this. Okay. Is the fall of Michael Kabua the return of the Manit Joey? MJ, I'm gonna block you. Thank you. Let me ask that one more time. Is the fall of Michael Kabua the return of Manit Joey? Boom, there you have it. Yes. Thank you. Goodness, I'm done. I'm done with the questions. So, what is everybody supposed to do next? The community is divided. Families are split up. Leadership energy will rise, but not from the same old systems. So all you mother flowers in the Nilija cabinets, gone. Give it time. Gone. There's nothing you can do to stop it. Because there are spiritual forces behind all of this. Rieto. Because when we are disconnected from our history, we have no idea how very, very protected we actually all are. All of it. Luado and Meldum, her sisters, Ratogenia, Ratogeni Jugan. Melelain Patagagan Rumajal is very cosmic. See, we don't even have the same language for our own history anymore. So everybody just got to work together. The people who are in, the people who are already where they are, they already know what to do next. I don't know what that means. But whoever, This is the start of the downfall of the corrupt system that has been keeping all of us mentally enslaved to the system. Because listen, look at the state of Mayo. Look at minimum wage versus wanan mur. Look at healthcare, lack of healthcare. So you're telling me that nidijala in America, talakar ledok chen, but Mayo is not getting better? But all these nidijala members' homes and personal lives is getting better? Right, Hilda? Fuck out of here. See, look, I gotta calm down because their anger is coming in. Hilda Heine, man. Remember that one election, man, they voted for that Zacharias guy or something, and then they took him off and put Hilda on? They put Hilda on because... Hold on. Right here, let me put that right there too. Is Hilda Heine a puppet? Is Hilda Heine a puppet of the government? Yes. That's why you don't care about the people. You only care about personal advantages. Marshallese people as a whole are struggling so much that there's corruption everywhere. Everybody screws each other over. And the more I ask more questions, the less people start arguing with me because y'all are going to shut the hell up. Yeah. Is Hilda Heine still in this chat? Is she still watching? Yes. Thank you. Is Hilda Heine mad right now? Yup. Be mad. Hey. Block Party. Get out of here. I have no patience for all the trash talk, because either way, the truth will prevail. Time will tell. Bye. Block. Like the people, okay. Are people trying to shut me up because they're scared? Are people trying to shut me up because they're scared? Hell yeah. Cancel. Work together, everybody. Revise your plans. Because Hilda Heine does not have any good intentions for the Marshallese people. They put you in office because you're the perfect puppet. You do what they say. Anything for power and influence, right, Hilda? So no, the news that Junior's dropped was true, is true. He's dead, been dead. Let's ask one more. Let's ask another one. Hold up. Is Michael Kabua in the ice box? He's in the ice box, dead and in the ice box. Yes. Thank you. Was keeping Michael Kabua's death hidden Hilda's idea? It was Hilda's idea. Yep. And that's that. I'm going to keep it short so y'all can watch it all. And I'm going to post this on YouTube too. This is the fall of the corruption. And everybody needs to calm down because this all ties back to history. This is the correction of history. Because back in the 1800s, they took the land and they kept the title, da-da-da-da-da, interclan wars. And they put all the buraks in position. All the buraks in position. And you know that then karkarayo chun, like there's already drama in with Nidijale, Ijelagin Menin. Cause y'all got like what did that one lady say? The karayo me karkananchan wayawan. She said this whole government thing is not for the Highness family and how to what you call it? It's not for y'all to thrive. Nidijale does not belong to you. He's dead, Rickson. He's dead. He's dead. Okay, let's ask. How long has he been gone? Whew. Molge menin Michael Kabua egar Mitch ro alang emotalak. Yes. Keeping him alive means keeping the corruption going. He was the face of the system. Just the face. Without the face, the system can't thrive because he's also the last Iroch, right? Etalak Nijin. And nobody can take the title after him. He's been dead for 2 months. Yes. See, I feel all y'all's heart hurting. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Breathe, everybody. Breathe. I know everybody's heart is hurting for different reasons. But it's the corruption correction. That's what this is. Correcting the corruption because they did not want us to know. Because if we knew, then that means we're free. No Iroj to report to. You can't keep using Manit as a reason to not speak your mind about politics. He didn't. Let's ask. Did Michael Kabua have a funeral? Did he have a funeral or what? Is he still in the icebox? Girl, sis, tell me why I knew he died. Look, see, we are one got the message too from the Most High. Okay, what is it? Did he have a funeral? Whew. Ranangan nga kalubuni yan punin Michael Kabua. Ranangan nga have. Ranangan nga kalubuni yan punin Michael Kabua. No. Nope. Thank you. Is Michael Kabua's body still in the freezer? 2 months is in the freezer? Oof. Is Michael Kabua's body still in the freezer? Yes. Okay, thank you. Is Michael Kabua's body in the freezer in Taiwan? Yes. Michael Kabua's body is still in the freezer in Taiwan. Thank you. Kaya rujarabal ranian Michael Kabua. Rujarabal ranian Michael Kabua. Do they know that he's dead already? The ones that are in Taiwan? Yes. Thank you. My candlelight's going crazy. Bye, Rickson. Take it all in, honey. It's gonna take a few days. Bye. Whew. I'm sorry that you guys have to hear this news from not Nilidale. Nilidale betrayed the whole country. Let's put some words to your feelings. Betrayal. That is what you're feeling. We cannot trust our own Nilidale. I mean, obviously, if they're gonna make it if they're gonna make minimum wage in the Marshall Islands $3 and then force people to buy $10 gallons of fucking milk. Just think about it. If they make people struggle that hard in our own land, those people have no choice but to come here and become sheep and help create taxes for this country. Taxes for war. Think about it, because they also use our land for war things. We're in the middle of the ocean. Oh man, this is why money and politics don't mix. And the truth is only gonna hurt for a second. You just gotta get through it. That's all. That's all. Is there any other questions? All right. I'm done. That's it. I'm gonna keep it short because it's nothing big to talk about. It's clear cut. They kept him. They pretended that he was still alive so they can keep the corruption going to keep the money flowing. He wasn't really making any decisions. He was just a puppet face because he's the Iroch. Everything Tala was saying, Tala Shem, everything he said about Puchin Rabaga and how all these guys are Puraks is true. Run it back. Run the live back. I made it rewindable while I'm still on here so y'all can really understand. This is spiritual warfare. They wanted to keep us dumb. They play on our energies. Nidijala likes to kabwewekich. Hello? Wakey wakey. Wake up to the truth. Because they're still quiet. They don't know what the hell to do. They do not know what the hell to do. Because none of this news was supposed to come out. So now they're figuring out what to do behind the scenes. Bukangan court, not social media. For what? When the whole court system is ruled over, they rule in favor of all the buraks. What is that going to do? If you try to fight people in the same systems that they created to keep us down, that's not going to get us nowhere. Why do you think all the good politicians, they don't ever get anywhere? They don't ever get to the top. That is it, and that is all. Everybody just, I'm sorry to his family that had to hear this from social media and not Nilijala themselves. Kumi egujin kajere ilunayam ngan Hilda and the Nilijala cabinet. Not me and not Junius. Point blank period. We're just the deliverers of truth. But now you gotta look at the whole system that lied to you and kept the truth from you. Okay? Thank you. Bye.